Okay, we're currently leaving for our life trip.
Yes, we are officially starting our new expedition trip. But before we leave, we have to do some things. We got our new van life blessed and headed towards the lake near our house, Satsmat Lake.
It's our last time swimming in the lake.
Then we went downtown in Vancouver to watch the Mexican celebration of lights. And finally, my parents' 15th anniversary family photos.
Okay, we're currently leaving for our life trip.
Life, meaning Live It Fully Everyone, is our new Sprinter dually 4x4 that will take us south towards Central America. We built Life with our family company, YOLO Family Vans. Life will become our new home for the next year. Our first stop, the BC Overland Rally. Our first day there, we had the privilege to give the campfire talk and share our story to everyone. After every campfire talk follows the raffle draw.
Hello everybody, right now we are at the BC Overland Rally and my mom and I are gonna go swimming right there next to Life, not YOLO, Life. Gonna get used to that soon. And this is day one of our Central America trip. Okay, ready? Time for heads down.
Where are you?
We are in the BC Overland Rally right now, and we're swimming in the nearby river.
Next morning, I started to pack for my What to Pack with Kids talk.
Hey, day two, we just finished our talk about what to pack with kids, and we're gonna go swimming.
It gets pretty hot here at the rally, so having access to the river nearby was a true lifesaver. Our second time going to the water today.
Oh, Max is coming!
The water is very refreshing and cool. Perfect way to spend our hours here in a hot day. It started to get pretty windy and dusty at the rally. Not too many people walking around. I mean, can't blame them. We did too. The sun started to come out and we enjoyed a meal together with the amazing view. End of the rally, and now we have to go on with our adventure.
Hi, right now we're driving to Soyuz. This is day 3 of our life trip. We're going swimming now. Max rests a little bit over there. And it's time to just go swimming here nicely without people pushing me off the floaty.
Next day, we headed to Rattlesnake Canyon with some of our friends from home.
It's our last day in Soyuz, and we just stopped at this winery that also gives bread. And it's amazing. what are you eating?
Oh, I'm eating Asiago bread.
We stopped over and got all these cherries and fruits.
Asturias can be known for their fruits, so stopping by one of their stands on your way in or out is very recommended.
Hello. Where are we right now?
Manning Park
Yep. We're just taking a break from driving.
in the sunny BC.
Yeah, it's very sunny, as you can see.
We stopped here at Manning Park just for a break from all our driving. Thank you all so much for watching, and stay tuned for the rest of our adventures as we make our way south.